Sege yakwenda kumberi nini manje? Museye mkomana afike tusore. Yes, thank you. Aburukire ko kuma.
Ona komana difamba kana. Amasurusha.
Yeah, okay.
Ya, imi bosi bulukai warume muri papa.
Hapo kadi.
Nai mbom.
Ah, kumana. Aba. Ah.
Wanda tauro. Wanda tauro. Bomira. Ipapo, usaende kuri ipapo hapa ndo bari bwa. Achira ari mumvuri. Kono lango svipa. Red mafoni manyanya kuenda kumbiri kunje. Moze uripe. Moze uripe. Mamungu wagari basi. Mungu mbalata mungu. Ipawe. Tambo. Oh mama. Ukona hii. Bata ni. Guys, musigara basi. I'm sorry. My journalist, let's stay back. Chase it to one part. That is they stay back. That's stay back, man. Every journalist got to stay back. Step back, man. Munwesa on a picture. Right, that boy. Yes, right. You can't go on Andy. Ah, no, you can't be. Mira, Osalo. Mira, Jonio. He's a chapo to noise. Jonio. I think he sounds. Sounds, I think. Singapore voice. Okay, now. I didn't know. I don't want to win the power, but they move. Can't move from here.
Thank you very much, members of the state. You know, there's our by-election. Chairman-in-chief, the president, has just started to ballot, so give him time to say a few words and also to take a few questions.
Well, thank you very much. I'm excited to cast my vote. Excited because this is an opportunity for change as we mark and herald that march to 2023, which is the big show. This is just a teaser. It's just the beginning, and we want to make sure that we correct the national mistake of the recalling of citizen representatives in parliament, in council, which was done illegally, criminally by ZANU-PF and their side. So we are excited, but we are also disappointed because if you look at the way the indelible ink is not that indelible, and we have received reports from across the whole country where we hear that ZEC has not done a perfect job. In fact, ZEC has failed to pass the different tests that were put: the integrity test, the independence test, the professionalism test, the accountability test. We have asked them numerous questions. They have not been able to account for them around voters' roll, around the issue of polling officers, around the issue of polling material, the printing of ballot papers, who printed, what threshold was the law respected. So we are going to take this issue seriously. This is a by-election. We're testing the capacity of ZEC, the sincerity of ZEC. What we have seen is that ZEC is not fit for purpose, and ZEC is not professional, neither is it independent. This is a matter that we have to escalate within our own national jurisdiction, but beyond, in the context of SADC and the AU, to help us help ourselves so that we don't have another disputed election. If ZEC does not amend its ways, it has to be disbanded, and that is the call we are going to make as citizens, because they have failed, they have not done what is supposed to be done. You can see the quality of the pictures, the photographs that are being used for the candidates. It's shocking. It's almost like antiquated in the 60s and in the 30s, where you have modern technology. They've obviously given blurred pictures so that they distort the images of our candidates and also the images of our brand. And that is a serious issue. Thank you very much.
Chamisa, do you think we are headed for another disputed election?
Sorry?
Are we headed for another disputed election?
Well, look, if the conditions are not agreed, SADC said that Zimbabwean elections are not credible. The AU said the Zimbabwean elections are not credible. The European Union said it. The Commonwealth said it. The NDI and IRI, in the context of the electoral observer mission, have said that elections in Zimbabwe are contested, disputed, and illegitimate. And they have to be corrected. That's why we have said, let us have a pre-election, post-election pact. An agreement on the nature of election we are going to have, how we are going to treat the winners and those who would not have made it, so that it's a win-win situation for Zimbabwe. We can't have yet another disputed election. And if we don't correct the situation, we have to correct it. And we are the citizens. We will correct it, you will see. That's why we have given ZEC the notice to say we are watching, we are following you. We have also written to SADC to say we want a proper referee, a proper umpire, not this one who throws the whistle away to join the other team. If you look at the personnel that are manning the whole process, they are not known who they are. We don't know where they come from. They must be known, they must be advertised, publicized in terms of the law. Hatichemi asi kuti pane matambudziko aripo ari kukonzerwa nezeki. Zeki ine mhepo. Mhepo yainayo ndeyekuti haite zvinhu zviri pachena. Ine chipatirwa nechoko muhomwe. The corruption of this country starts with the corruption of the electoral process. The election corruption is the biggest form of corruption because it then cascades kuenda kuno. So nyaya yehuore hwesarudzo ndiyo yatoda kugadzirisa. Tanzwa kuti kwana Mutasa kumadzisha anga achiunganidza vanhu. Ndai munovhotera pakati muti hatigoni kunyora, vanhu kunzi itai zvimumumu, vanhu remarai, vanhu musaona, vanhu musanzwa, nenyaya yekuti vanhu vanoda kuita sarudzo. ZANU-PF does not believe in the liberation struggle and its ideals. ZANU-PF does not believe in the vote. It doesn't believe in the free will and the sovereign will to decide. They believe in forcing people, frog-marching people, intimidating people, and coercing them to reflect a manufactured and engineered vote. Izvozvo zvokumanikidzirana nokumbunyikidzana kubata chibharo munyaya dzesarudzo ndo zvakaita kuti munyika muno muve nekurwa kwerusununguko. Saka munyika muna rusununguko panyaya dzesarudzo. Ndo zvatanzwa munyika mose kuna Mwenezi kumaruwa kwese nomumadhorobha unoona kuti vanhu vanenge vachingombunyikidzwa. Vanhu vakuwanda behind COVID now. Tinoda kuti mazita anyorwe zvakati kuda kungotsvaga kumbunyikidza vanhu. Saka inyaya inoda kugadzirwa iyi ndo nyaya ndaona pana asi ndinofara kuti ndavhotawo uye ndinofara kuti vamwe vavhota. Tinotenda kuti shanduko inouya chero zvakaoma kudaro. Zungwambira zako ndazvire kuti zvinhu hazvinaki. Tinotenda.
Advocate, ZEC shortfalls aside, are you happy with the voter turnout?
Well, look, this is a by-election. By-elections are generally not that high in turnout because people know that they are voting for an MP, a councillor. It's unlike when there is a general election. They would obviously come in high numbers, more than a by-election. So I haven't assessed. It's too early to call. But I'm glad that people are expressing themselves, those who are able to. But those shortfalls are a cause for concern because ZEC is deliberately fertilizing voter cynicism and electoral skepticism. ZEC is literally mobilizing apathy, making sure that people are frustrated, making sure that the vote is suppressed, making sure that people are turned away and they actually develop a cold feet. It has never happened. I think ZEC will score a first in working in cahoots with ZANU-PF to make sure that people do not enjoy that very important liberation right, the right to vote.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you so
much.